Hello. Daily Math Blast 8, Addition Within 100. Kim had some stickers. Her friend gave her 32 more stickers. Now Kim has 47 stickers. How many stickers did Kim start with? Write and solve an equation to show this problem. Use a symbol for the unknown number. So for my symbol, I'm going to use the mystery box that we've used before. Now I'm just going to kind of follow along the story and write an equation that matches the story. So Kim had some stickers. So I'm going to draw my mystery box because I'm not sure how many stickers Kim began with. Her friend gave her 32 more stickers. Now, since her friend gave them to her, that's addition. So 32 stickers. Now Kim has 47, so that equaled 47 stickers. How many stickers did Kim start with? So my job is to figure out what goes in the mystery box. Now there's lots of different ways that I can do this. I'm going to draw a quick tape diagram to kind of analyze the problem and decide what method to use. So I have my mystery box. So right there, put a question mark in the mystery box because I don't know how long that was. Plus 32. So if I extend it out and I added 32, it equaled 47. So I started with some stickers, I gained 32 more, and it equaled 47. Well, looking at this, to me, what I'm looking for is the difference between 47 and 32, which is that mystery box right there. So I'm going to start at 47 and use the arrow method to count down to 32. So 47. Now remember, you can use any strategy you want. Your tape diagram would look a lot like mine if you decide to do a tape diagram, but your strategy may be different to solve it. So 47, and I need to work down to 32. So first, I'm going to take a 10 away, because I know 4 tens and there's 3 tens in this number. So, which 4 tens minus a 10 is 3 tens, and my 7 ones. So I'm at 37. Now remember, you take a lot of small steps to get to the 32. So I'm going to take 2 away. That's 35. And then I know from 35 to 32 is 3. So 3 more. So 10, 2, and 3. So 10 and 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So that tells me my mystery box right here was 15. 15. So 15 stickers. So that's one way to find how many stickers that Kim begin with. Okay. Compare the numbers using greater than, less than, and equal to record the results. So I'm looking, I have 87 and 286. Now, remember, we start with the largest place value in either number, and then we're going to compare those. So here the largest place value is tens. Here the largest place value is hundreds. So I'm going to go into hundreds. So if there's not a digit here, that's 0. So there's no hundreds here, 0 hundreds, and 2 hundreds. Well, 2 hundreds is more. Now remember, when I'm starting, I start with the largest place value. Once I find a difference, I compare, and then I can stop. So 0 is less than 2. Therefore, 87 is less than 286. Now I'm going to come over here. I look for my largest place value. I have tens and tens. Well, there's a 5 in both tens place and a 3 in both ones place. So therefore they are equal. They are the same value. Next, recognize and identify cubes, rectangular prisms, cones, and cylinders. And here it says identify the solids below. So we have the solid here, solid here. So when I'm just recognizing and identifying these shapes here, cubes and rectangular prisms, those are made up of rectangles and squares. Cones and cylinders, those are made up of a circular face, 1 or 2 circular faces, and then it either comes to a point or another circular face. So when I look at this shape here, it's made up of rectangles or squares. So it has to be a cube or rectangular prism. For it to be a cube, it has to be made of only squares. So if I look here, I see a shape right here. Well, this is a rectangle. It is not a square because all the sides are not the same length. It does have the angles right, but the sides are different. So therefore, it's a rectangular prism. Now, looking at the shape here, well, I see this circular face. So with my choices here, that means I'm choosing between a cone and a cylinder. Now a cone has a circular, one side that's circular and it comes to a point. A cylinder has a side that's circular and then an identical circle on the other end. So I look here, circle, it does not come to a point, so there's another circle right here. So it is a cylinder. Okay. Now we're determining between odd and even numbers. So is 10 an even number, yes or no? And I have to show work to support my answer. So just simply circling yes or no. To show that I'm not guessing, I need to have some kind of work to show. Well, I know if I draw these using counters, so I'm going to draw 10 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I drew my 10 counters. Now, one of the tests for an even number is I'm going to circle pairs or at 2 counters, sets of 2. So here's a set of 2. Here's a set of 2. Set of 2. Set of 2. Set of 2. Well, when you circle sets of 2, if there are no counters left over, it is an even number. If I circled sets of 2 and I had one counter left out, then it is not an even number. It is an odd number. I would circle no. Understanding place value. Circle the digit in the hundreds place. So I have ones, tens, hundreds. So the digit 6 is in the hundreds place. So there are 6 hundreds in the number. This was Daily Math Blast 8. Thank you.